Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have about, almost 2,800 YouTubes out there. I try to inform the public as much as I can. I do, by the way, appreciate the referrals that come in. I've been doing this for actually 5 decades. I worked for IRS a long time. I'm a national expert in resolution. I have a huge Facebook following, and you can go to my website and see all the TV interviews I've been on. Anyway, let's get to the question today is, how soon after you file your tax return will IRS actually start enforcement action? That's really a big question. I get asked a lot. A lot of people can't pay their 2024 taxes for whatever reason, and there is a point in time that IRS is going to say, okay, you better pay us or we're going to take enforcement. What is enforcement action, first of all? Enforcement action is when IRS will send you out a bank levy or a third-party levy to somewhere. They'll garnish your wages, or they'll file a federal tax lien against you, or do multiple things. IRS does not do that right away. Usually, IRS will maybe make an adjustment to your return and send you a CP 2000, or they'll just send you your first initial letter, the LT 14, or then they're going to start the serious letters, the CP 501. Hey, you owe the money, you better pay. You forget about it, it's the 503. If you don't pay, this is all 6-week cycles, 6 weeks coming between each letter. So you're going to get somewhere in the neighborhood of around 4 to 5 months. But then the CP 504 comes and the 1058 comes out, in which if you don't take action, IRS is going to go ahead and levy you. No doubt about that. They're going to do that. A matter of fact, there isn't a person that guards or watches over your file. That's really not the case. The computer systematically does all this. So what you have to do is really figure out an exit strategy on your case so this doesn't happen. Then a call is required to them. On large dollars, they'll send the cases out to the field for revenue officers to work. But in the meantime, you'll want to be thinking, is IRS going to put me in currently non-collectible, a hardship? Are they going to go ahead and maybe get a payment agreement, or can I settle the debt? If you don't owe a lot of money, you can try those yourself. If you owe over 50, 60,000, you really do want to hire someone. Just want you to know all your tax returns always need to be filed. And if you're self-employed, make sure your estimate payments are up to date. If you need me, call me. I have a great team of former IRS agents. If not, give me a subscription and a like. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.